In this video, I'll guide you through how to categorize a credit card payment in Wave accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or managing your personal finances, categorizing your transactions correctly is crucial for accurate financial reporting. So, let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, we need to navigate to the right section within Wave accounting. Go ahead and open your Wave account, and once you're logged in, look for the accounting menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it and then select Transactions. This is where all your financial activity is logged, and it's the perfect spot to manage your transactions. Now that you're in the Transactions section, you'll want to locate the specific transaction that represents the cash outflow from your bank account. This transaction is essentially the payment you made on your credit card. Take a moment to find it on the list. Once you've spotted the right transaction, go ahead and click on it to expand the details. This will give you a better view and control over how you want to categorize it. Next, focus on the Category drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and you will see a list of options. What you're looking for here is the option named Transfer to, from bank, credit card, or loan. This category is key because it reflects that the transaction you're working with is a transfer of funds rather than a typical income or expense. Once you select Transfer to, from bank, credit card, or loan, you'll notice that Wave prompts you to specify the destination account for this transaction. Since the corresponding entry for the credit card payment doesn't automatically appear for manual selection, you'll need to manually choose from the list. Scroll through the account destination list and select the credit card account that matches the payment you made. This step is crucial because it ensures that both sides of the transaction are accurately reflected in your books. After selecting the correct credit card account, it's time to finalize the categorization by clicking Save. This action confirms your selection and updates your records. By doing this, you've successfully categorized your credit card payment, ensuring that your financial reports in Wave are precise and up to date. And there you have it, you've just learned how to categorize a credit card payment in Wave accounting. By following these steps, you maintain clear and organized financial records, which are essential for tracking your financial health. Remember, getting these details right now saves time and hassle down the line, especially when it comes to generating reports or preparing for tax season. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with Wave accounting, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Happy accounting!